Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your OUKITEL WP300. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and go to the settings. So let me quickly unlock the phone. Now we want to go over into the settings, and in those settings we want to scroll up to Wi-Fi. First, what we want to do is we want to toggle Wi-Fi off and then on. And now this is a quick restart for our Wi-Fi. What we want to do next is make sure that we are connected. If we're not, then we can just go to the network and click forget right here. Now let me quickly choose the same network here, and all we have to do is enter the password now. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now I have entered the password. I am connected to the network. If it's still not working for you, what you guys can do is restart your router so it works differently for everybody else, but there's always a switch on the back of it, and you can just switch it off and on. Now this will be a restart. You can also try resetting it at the end. So holding, let's say, a SIM tray opener into the little hole that you have to put it in, then hold it for about from 10 to 15 seconds and your router should reset. Now what you guys want to do next here is check for software updates. So scroll down and go to system. Now go to system updates, and here you will see if your system is up to date. So mine is. I can double check that, and yes, it is. Now what we want to do next is, as a last resort, is to reset the phone. So we're going to go to system again, go to reset options, and here we're going to reset mobile network settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So we can do this by tapping reset settings here. Now tap reset settings, and those settings are resetting now. So we're going to do the same for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, but remember, this will reset every single Wi-Fi password that we have saved, and of course it goes the same for Bluetooth devices like headphones and etc. So be careful while doing that. And as a completely last resort, you guys can factory reset the device itself, so you'll lose everything like your accounts that you're signed in, your downloaded apps, music, photos and videos. But here you guys can just click erase all data and everything will be deleted. But a good thing, you guys can go to backup and make sure that backup is turned on. You just click here and select this, click confirm, and now the phone is backed up. So that's how you guys can do that, and that's it for the video. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.